Hello guys, today we're taking a look at MyDMX 2.0, a piece of software for your Mac or PC that allows you to take control of your DMX lights through a simple USB interface. Now this software is great if you're someone who isn't that used to DMX, maybe you've had a DMX controller or a simple board in the past, and you're looking for something a bit more advanced. MyDMX 2 is a great option, it's simple to use, but it's actually very powerful. There are some really cool features inside. So in this tutorial series, I'm going to go through the entire process of how you set up and use MyDMX 2.0, from the very basics of patching your lighting fixtures, creating looks, creating effects, and even controlling your fixtures wirelessly with an iPad. So in this first tutorial video, I'm going to talk about what MyDMX can do and a basic look at the hardware that comes with MyDMX. So MyDMX 2.0 hardware actually comes in two different versions. Here I have the full MyDMX 2.0 box, which allows you to control up to 512 DMX channels. You can also get a more basic piece of hardware called the MyDMX Buddy, which is limited to controlling only 256 channels, and you can't use some of the features in the software like the 3D visualizer and the wireless iPad remote. However, otherwise the software is exactly the same. So here I have the full MyDMX 2.0 hardware, which allows you to control up to 512 channels of DMX lighting. The interface itself is very simple. It's a nice metal box. On one side you have your USB input, plug into your computer. You have a Kensington lock if you want to secure the interface. On the other side you have two DMX outputs. One of them is 5-pin and one of them is 3-pin, which you can use depending on which fixtures you have. And that's it. The interface is very simple. So now the MyDMX software runs on both Mac and PC, and you can download it from the American DJ website. Just go onto the MyDMX 2.0 page on the ADJ site, go to the download section, and you can download both a Mac and Windows version of the software. Go ahead and install that, plug in your USB interface, and you're ready to start controlling your lights. The software itself is very simple, and it's split up into three different sections. You have your setup section, where you can go ahead and patch your lights and set them up to be controlled via DMX. You've got your editor section, where you go ahead and create your different looks and program your lighting. And then you've got the live tab, which you use to control your lighting during a gig. So why even bother using DMX with your DJ lighting? Well, for the past few years, most of my gigs, I've used just simple sound to light mode. It's nice just to be able to put the fixtures up, turn them into sound to light mode, and just not have to worry about them, leave them to do their own thing. However, it's really not very flexible. I mean, there'll be those moments where a drop happens in the music and you just wish all the lights could go into strobe, but they can't because you've got no control. And maybe you put on a slightly slower song and you want to be able to slow down your lighting fixtures, and that's not very easy with sound active mode. So using software like MyDMX 2.0 allows you to completely take control of all of your DMX lighting fixtures. You can customize your lighting programming for every single song. So in my upcoming tutorial series, I'm going to go through all of the features in MyDMX 2.0, from the very basics of patching your fixtures to creating looks, creating effects, and even controlling your lights using an iPad wirelessly. Check out the playlist link in the description down below, which will take you to the full playlist of all my MyDMX tutorial videos. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. And as always, thanks for watching.